Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening this bad boy. It is a Secret Santa sack, and this was a multi-indie kind of get-together secret sack put together by Superchick Wrecker to basically receive some mystery indies in this little Santa sack for Christmas. So I know that the purchase portion for this has already been done, and I'm just opening mine and to let you kind of see what came in mine. And so yeah, I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. This is so cute, by the way, cutest thing ever. It's like a little mini Santa sack. So first thing I see, there is a Superchick Lacquer nail file. Next thing is candy. Good, good, all good things. Tootsie Pop. Honor's gonna love that. Okay, so first one I'm opening, Merry Christmas. And this one is from Superchick Wrecker. And it says Once Upon a Diamond, so it must be from the Once Upon a Diamond collection. So let's see. Looks like this. And I think I know what this is since I have already reviewed this collection. Yes, this is Notions of Ariel. Oh, this is the gorgeous teal textured. These ones were the ones that had the pieces of crushed diamond in them. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So if you missed my video on that, just go like a few videos back and I reviewed this whole entire collection. Alright, let's see what's next. More candy. Oh, there's some business cards in here. So it looks like probably all the indie brands that are going to be featured in the sack have their cards in here. So I'm going to save that because I want it to be a secret. Next one. I don't know who this is from. We'll just have to see. Glittery, glittery paper. Some bubble wrap here. Let's bust open the bubble wrap. Okay, this is from Dollish Polish, and this is called I Made My Family Disappear. You can't even say the name of that title without saying it like that, just like Kevin on Home Alone. I made my family disappear. So in case you haven't already figured out, I'm going to be showing you swatches of all of these, but yeah, since this is my unboxing portion of the video, I haven't seen what these all look like yet. I did know what Notions of Ariel already looks like, but it will be a surprise to me too as soon as I do the swatch portion of this video. So it looks like it is a copper metallic, and yeah, it looks gorgeous. So this must be part of the Christmas collection, right? Because Home Alone. Christmas movie. Who hasn't seen Home Alone? I don't know who hasn't. More candy. Okay, next one says Sweetheart Polish. So this is just reminding me that I have a lot of wrapping left to do. Actually, almost all wrapping left to do. Okay, so more bubble wrap. Trying to defy me. We've got some hollow paper. All right, so Sweetheart Polish is a brand that is new to me. And it says right on the bottle they are 5 free. The name of this polish is All That Glitters. And this looks like, it said it's made in California. And this looks like kind of a taupey, taupe, I'm not sure what other color I'd say in there, like a taupe beige holographic. It's a scattered holographic, just absolutely gorgeous, as you will be seeing in my swatch photo in just a second here. Woo, pretty. So I need to go check out and see what Sweetheart Polish has to offer. All of the links to the brands will be down below, by the way. All right, next one. More holographic wrapping paper. Okay, let's see, what is this? Which one of these bubble wraps gets more and more difficult to open? I'm not getting increasingly more awesome at opening them. Okay. This says Nail Nation 3000. This is warm vanilla cuticle oil. Oh my goodness. This is gonna smell good, I bet. Nail Nation 3000. Gotta be careful not to get high off of it. That smells good. You know how a lot of times a lot of cuticle oils are like always in citrusy scents? So it's really nice and refreshing to have something that is not. I also really like the one, I've been using it up like crazy from Superchick, the Pure Argan and Clove. And yeah, been totally loving that. And now I have another new one to play with. Exciting. All right, there are 2 more items in here. So this one is from Sea Lore Polish. Like sea more polished, but it's Sea Lore. So like Lore, L-O-R-E. And this wrapping paper is really glittery. I'm gonna have glitter on me for days. For days. Okay. Okay, so they have a really cute sticker. It has a little mermaid on it. Sea Lore Divinity Isle. So this is like a kind of a milky base, and then it has holographic glitters going through it, and then kind of larger, more standout gold glitters. So awesome. So let's go ahead and take a look at how this baby swatches and look at a swatch photo. All right, one more. Man, I just wish this was one of those Mary Poppins bags. It was just like never ending, just pull out more and more indie polish. Wouldn't that be amazing? That's what I wish for Christmas, Tim.
Yeah, keep wishing.
Okay, so this has Anna and Elsa wrapping paper on it. I would have had Anna out here to help me open it. Once that I saw this had Anna and Elsa on it, but she would have then commandeered the entire video, so. Honor is my daughter, by the way. Okay, let's see. Oh, great. This is from Coloristic Carol, and this is called Vintage Lights, probably from her Christmas collection, and it's also in holographic as well. It's kind of like a very light, kind of a light gold holographic, but also has rainbow bits of glitter all in there too. Ooh, this looks delicious. I'm gonna love it. So let's see how it swatches. Alright guys, so that was the whole thing. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to visit the shops and their links down below. And oh, also, Superchick Lacquer is going to have a giveaway on her channel. And so basically you want to go over there and watch her unboxing. She's going to do an unboxing just like I did. And then if you're subscribed to her and leave her a comment, like letting her know what kind of polishes you want to see for next year, that sort of thing, you can be entered in her giveaway to receive some like more mainstream brands. So, you know, stuff from OPI, maybe some Essie, maybe some, you know, I'm not really sure what she's going to put in there, but it's going to be like a little bit more mainstream stuff. So make sure you go check out her video, and I will link that in the bottom bar as well. So have a great day. Happy holidays to you. Merry Christmas in a few days, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.